How to get white teeth with one of the simplest teeth whitening hacks. Banana peels are fantastic as a teeth whitening at-home solution for yellow teeth. The minerals inside banana peels have an incredible effect on teeth. Teeth absorbs the minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and manganese, which then whiten your yellow teeth. This white teeth home remedy is extremely easy to do. Here's how. Take the peel from one banana and gently rub the inside of the peel around your teeth for 2 minutes. Do this daily until you get the result you want. That's it! It's that easy. Now, flaunt those beautiful bright teeth and soon you'll notice the bananas turn yellow and your teeth white. Leave us a like on this video, and I'll also appreciate it if you share it.